present, the battle to save Africa's rhinos is being lost, with more and more killed each year. What's needed, people say, is a concerted international effort and an ability to link horn found in Asia to carcasses found here in Africa. That's what this centre does, and that's why its work is so invaluable.
What we've done here is put together a database of all DNA profiles of rhinos from South Africa and also from other range states. So we have an inventory of rhinos, living and dead. You need to know what you have before you can protect it. We also get all the poaching cases. So that's really important in the sense that you can then link back a piece of rhino horn, which is found anywhere. It can be on a poacher in this country, it can be on a trafficker, it can actually be on a dealer in another country, and link that back to a crime committed in South Africa.
What we have here is one of our evidence items that's been brought into the lab for testing. What they're wanting to find out if there is any rhino DNA on any of these tools or weapons. We have a panga that we've processed and we've looked for DNA. We have a special solution that will fluoresce in the presence of blood. So we'll spray it and we'll look for any presence of DNA, which will then get run and hopefully matched to something on the RODIS database. Here we have a axe, which is also one of the very common tools that we get in the laboratory, and we'll do the same process where we'll go through and see if there is any rhino DNA present, which will then hopefully match back to a poached animal.
Well, what needs to be focused on internationally is definitely getting samples from the different animal parts that are found anywhere in the world. They need to be sampled and they need to come onto the central database so that you can make those links. And that information then needs to be disseminated to the right people who are actually going to act on it and are going to go in and go to the dealers and do something about the problem, not just talk about it and discuss it, because there are powerful tools available like this one. It's up to the politicians to take those tools and to do something worthwhile with it, working with authorities and then prosecuting those people.